Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video in response to a comment by Shalini S. She had even sent me pictures of her iron tawa. So this is just a quick video to let you know how to prevent rust formation from your iron tawa or cast iron pan like the one I'm showing in this video. So this is my 10.25 inch cast iron pan, and as you can see it is rusted now. So how does this rust happens? How can you prevent it? When you make food on this cast iron pan, and after washing and rinsing it thoroughly, don't store it without drying it on the stove top. That is, you have to heat this up again and then you have to grease it with oil. I prefer to use gingery oil to grease cast iron or iron tawas. Now this is my cast iron deep skillet, and just to show you how it get rusted, what I did was, after making food in it, I just washed it and did not dry it up or did not heat it up and dry it. If your pan is in this condition, like it has rust formation like this on the sides, on the bottom, now everywhere it is rusted. So this pan is starting to get rusted all around. So if the pan or tawa you have has started to get rusted, you don't need to worry. All you have to do is just simply wash it with mild soap. What I do is I just dilute dishwashing liquid with water, and then I just simply rinse it with a sponge. I don't use a steel scrubber. I don't use anything harsh on this. So just add in water. Now I think you can clearly see the rust in the pan. We just want to remove the dust on the top layer. Or you can also use a scrub like this and just lightly scrub it out. So when you scrub, the rust will also be removed. And now discard this water. And as you can see, the water is also discolored. Now discard this water and rinse it 1 or 2 times. So okay, now I have discarded the water, and now I'm going to turn on the flame and I'm going to heat this up. So now this pan is getting heated up. So once the water has evaporated completely, I'm putting the flame on the lowest, and then I'm drizzling in gingery oil. Just a couple of drops of gingery oil. And now with a tissue paper, I'm just greasing the pan. Make sure that you grease the insides as well as the outside of the cast iron pan. And now I'm turning off the flame. Just adding in a few more drops of oil, because this pan has become really dry. You can see the rust on the paper towel. So I'm going to discard that, and I'm again adding in a few drops of gingery oil. And with a fresh tissue paper, I'm just greasing it again. And make sure you grease all over the pan, the insides and the outsides of the pan, even the handles. And now allow this to cool down completely, and then you can store this. So this is how you should season your cast iron pan or iron tawa each and every time after you cook food on it. Only then it will stay seasoned and prevent rust formation. And now I'm also doing the same thing with my second 10.25 inch cast iron pan. I'm getting it heated up on the gas stove, and now once it is heated nicely and all the water has evaporated, I'm adding in few drops of gingery oil, and I'm putting the flame on the lowest, and with a tissue paper I'm just greasing it all over the pan. Make sure you grease the sides, the handles, and even the outside of the pan. And now this pan is well seasoned, and it will have a non-sticky surface if you maintain your cast iron pans or iron tawas like this. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you Shalini S for taking time to ask this question, and I'm sure this will help a lot of girls, especially those who are new to cooking. So guys, do like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.